Alright, so back here on Mo's Vet, I'm working late here tonight, trying to get as much done as I can. Trying to plumb and wire up to his, trying to basically get all his wiring together so I could at least start the car and test things. Of course, these harnesses from Electric Limited, which, as a lot of people know, I've had a big problem with Electric Limited and their products in the past. And this is no different, unfortunately. This connector here goes to the high-low switch here, which this little pedal sits on, and you can high-low, with the carpet. This, no matter what way you take it or route it or move it or do anything, does not fit. I'm going to flip the high-low switch around if I hopefully can get the screws out, and hopefully it has enough reach. Otherwise, I'm going to have to lengthen that. But this is the type of bullshit between Electric Limited and $15 an hour idiots working on cars before. This is why things take so much damn time. We just keep having to fix more and more fucked up things. So I got to get that done. I did hook up, it's hard to see it because I'm routing wiring still, our keyed and battery powered connectors, and I have our auxiliary powered connectors for our cluster and our AC and stuff like that, and our speed sensor, all that positive. That's all routed and now in the fuse block. So I'm going to flip this around, get this hooked up. I got to hook up the ignition switch here, and his battery's on the charger, and hopefully tomorrow I can at least hit the key, watch and see if the gauges light up, and do a bunch of other things, because there's a lot still to do on this car. A lot. All right. Got the screws out, got it flipped around, got it plugged in. My God, what a headache. Also, someone put this shitty insulation under here too. Great, just great, more shit to deal with, don't worry about it. So now the little pedal for the switch works. You can lay the carpet, supposedly, back over that. All right, high-low. All right, so I just gotta hook this up. And as you can see, the battery's on our charger over there. Tomorrow, it's on. Hopefully.